All right, we've got a 2009 Suburban here, and this engine computer keeps logging this P0604. The code is not clear. It doesn't go away. I can try and show you here. Let's see. It says that it tries to clear it, but again, it doesn't go away. We can cycle key and everything. It just does not go away. The car does start, run, and drive. He has some drivability issues, but the customer wants to try this a computer replacement, basically. All right, so what we attempted to do, or what we're doing, is we're cloning the original onto a known good that I had spare at the shop. So we got that plugged in, and I wanted to show you that without even trying to start it, just keying it up, we get the same exact trouble code. That's the only code in the engine computer, and this is the one that we cloned. We haven't tried to start it or anything, but it does right away bring up the same code. So there, it cloned properly. It starts, runs, and drives the vehicle. No issues, no security problem. But it brings up this same code. Again, the only code on a different computer. Alright, so what I wanted to try, because I've run into this before and it's very hard to determine or differentiate if the problem is still here present in the car, or something's wrong, or if you've transferred over, cloned over the problem that you were obviously experiencing. So what I ended up doing right now to try to see if this goes away, that we're not transferring this over, is on the donor, I put the flash from the original donor and cloned over the EEPROM portion of the original vehicle's ECU. So I'm going to key it up and see if the code is still there. Now, this is the same screen from before, that's why that's there. So let's back out and let's reread it. Again, this is a different flash. The same EEPROM, but different flash. And so right away, we see this is all the codes that we are not getting that same RAM code with a different flash file in this donor computer. I'm wondering if we have cloned over the problem. That's what it looks like. But right now, having these, I bet we're not going to. Yeah, so it's not going to start. We're having mobilizer security discrepancies right now. So let me see what we can do.